Welcome, today I'm showing you how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into your Xiaomi 12. First of all, open Settings, scroll down and go into Additional Settings. Here, choose Gangster Shortcuts option. And now, first option in the list will be Launch Google Assistant. Tap it. And for activate, for example, press and hold the power button for half second, turn on this option and tap Start Using. And now press and hold, and our Google Assistant is activated. And if you wanna turn off this option, like this position, tap one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.